So on Friday, I filed a complaint with the State Bar of California, filled out the attorney complaint form, and then dropped it off at 845 South Figueroa Street in Los Angeles. Why did I do this? Well, if you look at the rules of professional conduct that attorneys, counsel have to abide by, it's very, very well laid out what they can and what they cannot do. The individual, Randall Haimovici, his attorney California bar license is 213635. He's the guy handling the case against me, along with Katie Weitzman. I will also file a second complaint against Katie Weitzman on Wednesday if they do not comply. And when I say comply, I've sent them cease and desists. I have sued this company, Uber, alleging misclassification, alleging that they stole hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars of referrals, national United States as well as international referrals, cut me off wrongfully, terminated my account so that they wouldn't have to pay me out all this money. So I fight back. I expose these people. In the previous video, I called out all those names. I did my research on them. You can go to LinkedIn. You can also go to the State Bar of California website. You can look up all those names I mentioned in the last video. You can look up their emails, so you get their direct phone numbers. 415 is Sacramento. You get the attorney's direct email. For example, this guy is rhaimovici@uber.com. His bar number. And then you turn to the website, fill out the form. It's only 5 pages. And you file it against it, just as you would file a complaint against a real estate agent with the Department of Real Estate, the DRE in California, if these agents or brokers have wronged you. So on multiple levels, I believe Randall, Dennis, Haimovici, and Katie Weitzman and others have wronged me. I strongly believe that I'm owed a lot of money. I have 3 lawsuits against them, I would say totaling over $1 million. And again, you know, I've fought these legal battles before. McDonald's Incorporated, big company, not a small company, settled with me. Times Warner Cable settled with me. And hopefully if these guys don't want to do more damage to their company, they will settle. But in the meantime, I will keep on educating drivers. I will keep on educating gig workers how to get their money back, how to file with the California Labor Commissioner, how to file with other labor commissioners in Nevada, in New Mexico, in Florida, Texas, so that you get paid, right, for all the overtime, for all the extra time. There's so many fees, ladies and gentlemen, that they owe you. If you do a calculator, some of these class action law firms that actually have calculators, you will see how much money they actually owe you for misclassification. Many friends of mine are very large referrers, have built a massive network. I have a network, for example, of 8,400 videos, 900 cities, where I've been referring and referring and referring drivers. Somewhere in 2019, all of these individuals, top referrers, whether it was Dustin, whether it was Harry, whether it was Gio, whether it was, you know the names. All of them were cut off from their referrals. One guy in San Francisco, in fact, was owed about $1.5 million. They cut him off. They cut me off. They cut the others off to free up all those marketing dollars, because they were, you know, they were bleeding as far as the debt that they were running up each quarter. They were running massive, massive losses, and they thought they could just evaporate millions and millions of referral dollars that they still had to pay out. So we stand up for ourselves. We fight. I fight a very different battle. I hit these guys from 100 different sides, and I expose all of them. So, and I will continue doing so until they realize that they are breaching AB5 and that they have literally stolen this money from their hardest recruiters out there. The people that actually built the company for them, the people that actually created the jobs for drivers who now pay their salaries. Cut them off so that they wouldn't have to pay us out. Good luck with that strategy. Mr. Randall Haimovici. I will dedicate all my energy to this case until I have an outcome, and it will be in my favor. Have a great day.